Are you preparing for a boiler operator or boiler engineer interview? This video covers the most important boilerplate interview questions and answers that will help you succeed in your next interview. Whether you're a fresher or an experienced professional, these commonly asked boiler questions will boost your confidence and technical knowledge. Perfect for candidates seeking jobs. Watch till the end for pro tips that can set you apart in the interview. Why is boiler drum level difficult to control at high load? Answer. Boiler drum level becomes difficult to control at high load because steam demand changes rapidly. When steam demand suddenly increases, bubbles form quickly inside the drum and temporarily raise the water level, known as the swell effect. When demand decreases, the water level may suddenly drop, called the shrink effect. Inspectors ask this question to test understanding of boiler dynamics and automatic control systems. Operators must carefully monitor drum level during load changes to avoid low water or carryover conditions. Proper feed water control systems and operator attention are essential for maintaining safe and stable boiler operation under varying industrial loads. Why is boiler maintenance important even when the boiler runs normally? Answer. Boilers may appear to operate normally while hidden problems develop internally over time. Scale buildup, corrosion, leakage, worn components, and safety device failures can gradually reduce efficiency and increase accident risk. Preventive maintenance identifies these problems before they become serious failures. Inspectors ask this question to test long-term operational thinking and maintenance awareness. Regular inspection, cleaning, lubrication, calibration, and testing improve equipment reliability and reduce emergency breakdowns. Proper maintenance also extends boiler life, improves steam production efficiency, lowers fuel consumption, and ensures compliance with industrial safety regulations. A well-maintained boiler always operates more safely and efficiently than a neglected one. Why should boiler alarms never be ignored? Answer. Boiler alarms provide early warning signals about unsafe operating conditions such as low water level, high pressure, flame failure, high temperature, or equipment malfunction. Ignoring alarms can allow minor problems to develop into major accidents, equipment damage, or dangerous explosions. Inspectors ask this question because operator response during abnormal conditions is extremely important for plant safety. Operators should immediately investigate every alarm, instead of resetting it without checking the root cause. Proper alarm management improves operational safety, prevents costly downtime, protects workers, and ensures reliable boiler operation. A responsible operator treats every alarm as an important safety warning signal. Why is feed water temperature important in boilers? Feed water temperature affects boiler efficiency and equipment protection. Warm feed water requires less fuel to convert into steam compared to cold water. Higher feed water temperature also reduces thermal stress on boiler components because sudden temperature differences are minimized. Inspectors ask this question to evaluate understanding of heat recovery and energy efficiency concepts. Economizers and condensate recovery systems are commonly used to increase feed water temperature before entering the boiler. Maintaining proper feed water temperature improves combustion efficiency, reduces fuel costs, protects pressure, parts from stress damage, and increases the overall performance of industrial steam generation systems significantly. Why is boiler insulation necessary? Answer. Boiler insulation minimizes heat loss from hot surfaces such as steam pipes, drums, valves, and furnace walls. Without insulation, valuable heat escapes into the atmosphere, increasing fuel consumption and reducing system efficiency. Hot exposed surfaces may also create burn hazards for workers inside the boiler plant. Inspectors ask this question to test energy saving and safety awareness. Good insulation improves thermal efficiency, lowers operating costs, maintains stable steam temperature, and improves workplace safety. Operators should regularly inspect insulation for damage, moisture, or missing sections. Proper insulation is a simple but highly effective method for improving industrial boiler system performance and energy conservation. Why is proper boiler shutdown procedure important? Answer: proper boiler shutdown prevents thermal shock, equipment damage, and unsafe operating conditions. If cooling occurs too quickly, metal parts contract unevenly and may crack or warp. Incorrect shutdown may also leave pressure trapped inside the system or create unsafe maintenance conditions. Inspectors ask this question because many accidents occur during startup and shutdown operations rather than normal running conditions. Operators should reduce load gradually, stop fuel supply safely, maintain proper water level, and allow controlled cooling before inspection or maintenance. Following correct shutdown procedures protects equipment, improves operational safety, reduces repair costs, and extends the overall life of the boiler. Why are boiler refractory materials important? Answer: refractory materials protect the boiler furnace walls and reduce heat loss from high-temperature combustion gases. These heat-resistant materials help maintain furnace temperature, improve combustion efficiency, and protect metal structures from direct flame exposure. Damaged refractory increases fuel consumption, creates hotspots, and may overheat surrounding equipment. Inspectors ask this question to check understanding of boiler thermal protection systems. Operators should inspect refractory conditions regularly for cracks, erosion, or loose sections. Good refractory maintenance improves boiler efficiency, enhances safety, reduces operational costs, and extends the service life of furnace components operating under extreme industrial temperatures and combustion conditions. Why is burner adjustment important in a boiler? Answer: proper burner adjustment ensures complete and efficient fuel combustion inside the furnace. Incorrect burner settings may create smoke, soot, flame instability, fuel wastage, and dangerous carbon monoxide formation. Poor combustion also increases emissions and reduces steam generation efficiency. Inspectors ask this question to evaluate practical combustion knowledge. Operators must monitor flame color, air-fuel ratio, furnace pressure, and exhaust gas condition regularly. A well-adjusted burner produces stable flame, lower fuel consumption, cleaner combustion, and safe boiler operation. Regular burner inspection and tuning are essential for maintaining maximum efficiency and minimizing environmental pollution in industrial boiler plants and power facilities. Why is oxygen dangerous inside boiler water? Answer: dissolved oxygen inside boiler water causes serious corrosion of boiler tubes, drums, and pipelines. Oxygen reacts chemically with metal surfaces and gradually creates rust, pitting, and thinning of pressure parts. Over time, corrosion weakens the boiler structure and may cause dangerous leakage or tube failure. Inspectors often ask this question because water chemistry is a critical part of boiler safety. Deaerators and chemical oxygen scavengers are commonly used to remove oxygen from feed water before it enters the boiler. Proper oxygen control extends equipment life, improves reliability, reduces maintenance costs, and prevents unexpected shutdowns in industrial steam systems. Why should boiler load increase gradually instead of suddenly? Answer: boiler load should increase gradually because sudden steam demand creates rapid pressure and temperature fluctuations inside the boiler. Quick load changes may disturb water circulation, reduce steam quality, and create thermal stress on boiler components. In extreme situations, sudden load increase can even cause priming or carryover problems. Inspectors ask this question to test operational discipline and understanding of boiler stability. A trained operator always raises load slowly while monitoring pressure, water level, combustion condition, and feed water supply. Controlled load variation improves efficiency, protects boiler parts, reduces operational stress, and ensures safe long-term industrial boiler performance.
If this video helps to you, please like, share and comment the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for update new video notification.